First, remove and loosen valve caps on the condenser. Insert the line set and secure it firmly by tightening it down properly. Ensure the correct adapter is used and connect it to the condenser unit valve. Ensure that you have the appropriate vacuum equipment. Connect the hose from the unit to the gauge. Properly connect the hose from the vacuum to the gauge. Open the valves on the gauge and activate the vacuum. Monitor the micron reading attentively and close the valves promptly upon reaching 350 microns. Allow the unit to sit for 5 minutes after vacuuming before disconnecting hoses from the condenser and vacuum. Unit has successfully been vacuumed.